Standard 7 Civics Lesson number 3 Features of the Constitution. Children, in last lesson we have learned how our constitution was made. In this lesson we are going to learn federalism, division of powers, who deals with what subjects, union territories and parliamentary system of government. Federalism. It is one of the important features of our constitution. In countries with large territories and huge population, government is run by a federal system. Ruling a large territory from a single capital city is not only difficult but also may lead to neglect of some far-flung areas. So, government functions at the two levels in a federation. The government at the center carries out tasks like defense of the entire country, foreign policy, establishing peace, and it is also called as union government or federal government. The union government carries out the function of entire country. The government that oversees the administration of a region that we live in it is called the state government. It looks after administration of a particular state. For example, the government of Maharashtra looks after the administration of the state of Maharashtra. Federalism means the system of running the administration of a country cooperatively by the governments at two levels, making laws about different subjects. The Constitution has divided the subject for making laws between union government and state government. There are three lists of various subjects like that. The first list is called union list. It has 97 subjects. Second list is a state list which has 66 subjects. And third list is a concurrent list which has 47 subjects. Both the governments can make laws on the subject included in the concurrent list. If a subject comes up that is not included in any of the lists, the union government is entitled to make laws on it, and these powers are termed as residuary powers. Who deals with what subjects? Subjects with union government are defense, foreign relations, war and peace, currency, international trade, etc. Subjects with the state government are agriculture, law and order, local government, health, prison administration, etc. Subjects with both the governments are employment, environment, economic and social planning, personal law, education, etc. Union territories. In India, there is a union government, 28 state governments and 8 union territories. The union government controls the union territories. Following are the union territories, that is New Delhi, Puducherry, Chandigarh, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Diu and Daman, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Parliamentary system of government. Parliament, that is legislature, has the highest decision making power. The Indian Parliament includes the President, Lok Sabha or the House of the People, and Rajya Sabha or the Council of States. The Council of Ministers that runs the administrations emerges from the Lok Sabha and is answerable to the Lok Sabha for all its decisions. In parliamentary democracy, the discussion and the debate that take place in the parliament have great significance. Independent judiciary. The Indian Constitution has created an independent judiciary to resolve the disputes that cannot be solved mutually. The court hears both and contesting parties and gives its judgment. The Constitution has made several provisions to ensure that judiciary remains more and more independent. For example, judges are appointed by the President and not by the government. It is not easy to remove the judges from their office. Single citizenship. The Indian Constitution has granted a single citizenship to all the Indians. That is Indian citizenship. The process of amending the Constitution. There comes a need to make changes or amendments in the provisions of Constitution due to changing circumstances. Amendment to the Constitution can be made by Parliament accordingly to the procedure laid down in the Constitution only after giving careful consideration. The procedure is neither too difficult nor too easy. It is also flexible to ensure that general amendments can be brought about easily. Election Commission. India has adopted a democratic form of government. People have to elect their representatives periodically. Elections have to be conducted in a free and fair atmosphere. If the government were to conduct election, there might be no guarantee of free, fair and just atmosphere for the elections. Hence, the Constitution has entrusted the responsibility of conducting elections to an independent machinery. This machinery is known as the Election Commission. The responsibility of conducting all elections in India rests with an election commission. So, likewise in this chapter, we have studied different features of the Indian Constitution. Thank you.